Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to install and use the survey and poll add-ons. For that, simply hover onto WP Forms and click on Add-ons. Now here, from the list of various available add-ons, search for Survey and Poll add-ons. We need to install this add-on. Once the add-on is activated, you can enable survey functionality for any new or existing form on your site. Click on Add New under WP Forms. Now I will search for a pre-made survey form template. Select any template as per your choice. You can add or customize the existing fields here. Now we need to enable survey reporting as well as poll results. To do that, click on Settings. From various settings here, click on Survey and Polls. From here, you can enable both the checkboxes. Once done, click on the Save button. Now, let's preview the form to check the changes. Let me make a test entry here to show you how the survey results and statistics are displayed. Once the form is filled and submitted, let's move back and check the survey and poll results. Simply click on Entries under WP Forms. Select the form from here. This is how the survey and poll results are generated. For any graphs in your results, you can choose the type of chart to include in your printed report. You can click on View Survey Results also. You can see all the statistics here. So this is how easy it is to use survey and polls add-ons. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.